5 portable mini washing machine you can get from Amazon. Number 1. Portable mini washing machine, lightweight, collapsible bucket, perfect for camping, traveling, apartment, dorm, USA brand, pure clean. Number 2. Portable washing machine, foldable bucket washer with soft spin dry and drainage pipe, US plug, English user manual. Number 3. Portable washing machine plus 2 Blu-ray foldable mini small portable washer washing machine with drain basket for apartment, laundry, camping, RV, travel, underwear, personal, baby pink. Number 4. Costway portable mini washing machine with spin dryer, washing capacity 5.5 pounds, electric compact laundry machines, durable design, washer, energy saving, rotary controller. Number 5. Portable washing machine, foldable mini small washer for washing baby clothes, underwear, or small items, suitable for apartment, laundry, camping, RV, travel. Subscribe to see more items. Links to items in this video are in the description. Thanks for watching.